sometimes I don't know what to believe. Mama say it's my fault, I wear my heart on my sleeve. Think it's best I put my heart on ice, cause I can't breathe.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I do my custom press-on nails. So first, I'm going to start by opening the Pinterest app, and I'm going to pick a nail design that I like. Sometimes I do freestyle nails, but today I'm going to be doing these nails. So I'm going to take my nail holders, and I'm going to pick out 10 nail holders. And I'm going to put nail tabs on them because I like nail tabs better than wall tack. But you can use wall tack too. So now I'm going to go ahead and pick out my base nail. So these are just short oval nails that I use to basically act as a natural nail that you're going to put a tip on. So I pick out my sizes, and then I match a curved tip to the base nail. And the reason I do this is because I like my nails curved, and they do not make curved full cover nails. Like, they don't. They're all straight, and I don't like straight nails on me. I like curved nails. So I have to basically make a whole full cover nail. So this is how I do it. So right here you see me basically taking the shine off the top of the base nail and inside the tip, so that when I glue them together, they are stuck, they're not going anywhere, and I put a good amount of glue and I just glue them together. So now I'm gonna go ahead, after I've done all the nails, I'm gonna go ahead and file the line of demarcation, and I'm gonna actually file the shine off the whole nail as well, so that when I put my product on, it can stick. So now that I've done all my nails, I'm going to go ahead and start cutting and shaping them to the shape that I want. And today I'm going to be doing coffin. So now I've shaped all the nails, and I'm just going to start applying them to the nail holders so I can get started with my application process. Now I'm going to go on my markartt base gel, and I'm going to apply that all over the nails. You don't really have to do this. I've noticed that it actually doesn't really make a difference, but if you're putting product on a natural nail, you definitely want to put on a base coat so the product can stick. So now I'm going to go ahead and cure those in this OPI lamp. Now I'm going to take my Tomika Polygel in the color clear, and I'm going to use this non-acetone polish remover as slip. But I don't really like this polygel because I don't know if it was my fault, but it had like a lot of bubbles in it, and it kind of messed up my encapsule designs that you're gonna see in the end. And I'm only gonna do a thin layer because I don't want my nails too thick. And when you're laying your polygel, you want to make sure that you get all the excess polygel from the sides of the nail, because when you're curious, you want to do as least filing as possible, if that makes sense. If that made sense. Now I'm just going to take these flame decals, which are trash. I don't know if it's because I bought trash decals or I just don't know how to use them, but they were like super sticky and I couldn't like get them up without them ripping. And I actually put the flame decal on before I put the polygel because I wanted an encapsulated look. And I'm also going to do that with my pinky finger because I'm actually going to do a glitter nail. So I put the glitter on before I put the polygel so the glitter could be encapsulated. So now I put polygel on all the nails, and I'm just going to go ahead and reshape and file the polygel so it can be a smooth nail. For polygel, you actually don't have to use the e-file. I only use the e-file because I'm kind of lazy or whatever. And you definitely can go ahead and use a hand file because polygel is really soft. It's not like acrylic. It is very soft and easy to file. Before I paint the nails, I'm gonna go ahead and do my ring finger. I wanted a pixie dust nail, so I started putting jewels on the nail with polygel. I don't know why I use polygel, but I just use polygel. And I put jewels on the nail, so in between the pixie dust there could be jewels because that's just so cute to me. And I don't have a nail picker or a jewel picker, so I just went ahead and placed them down my finger. And in between that, I put base gel so I can basically dip the nail in pixie dust. Now I'm going to take my Rhinestones glow in the dark polish. It's this pretty purple, and I'm just going to apply that to my middle and index finger. I end up putting 3 coats because this polish is kind of thin, but yeah. So for the middle finger and the pinky finger, I went ahead and just put this markartt top coat. So now I'm taking the markartt top coat again and putting it on the back of the flame nails because they are encapsulated and I didn't want that smoky look. But as you can see, the nail looks smoky regardless. But here are the nails. I'm gonna show you me gluing them on. They're so pretty. And so this is me showing you how the beads look dipped straight onto the polygel versus them being on the base gel. And the polygel looks way better. That's on the left. So now I'm just going to take the shine off my nails. Once again, you do not have to use an e-file. You can definitely use a hand file, but I'm lazy. So I'm just going to file the shine off my nails, and I'm going to put a bunch of glue, and I'm going to stick the nails on because that's what makes my nails stick for weeks. But you want to be careful with these because you have to remember they're not actually acrylic or actual polygel nails. So just be careful. And you can also use super glue, but just be careful with removal. And also you want to just get a Q-tip and wipe off any excess glue that seeps out because you are going to probably use a lot of glue. Now here's the finished product. I'm going to go ahead and take my cuticle oil, and these are my nails. I'm really happy with them, and I hope you like them. And if you want to see me do anything else or you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections. So thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.